mother vulture protects her baby vulture from eagles hunting. Vulture versus eagle. See the video from starting to end. The baby of vulture rests in his nest. Wow, the beautiful and amazing scene in a jungle. See that amazing moment and enjoy them. The mother vulture protects her baby from crow attack. Wow, the beautiful and amazing scene of mother vulture in a jungle. The mother vulture in his nest protect her baby from crow attack. Wow, beautiful and amazing scene of mother vulture in a jungle. See that amazing moment and enjoy them. The crow tried to attack on vulture's baby but failed because mother vulture is a brave bird of the world. Wow, the beautiful and amazing style of mother vulture protect her baby from crow attacking in a jungle. See that amazing moment and enjoy them. Oh my God, the eagle attack on vulture's baby in a jungle. The vulture attack on eagle. Try to attack on eagle to protect her baby from eagle's attack. Wow, the beautiful and amazing fight between vulture and eagle on the sky. See that amazing moment and enjoy them. The vulture, the brave bird of the world, try to save her baby from eagle in the world. Wow, beautiful and amazing scene. See that amazing moment and enjoy them.